Just a couple of hours ago, a judge slapped a Shelton man with a $1.5 million bond. He is accused of shooting and killing his wife in Shelton.
She was a volunteer EMT for over a decade, and tonight the EMT community is grieving. News 8's Stephanie Simone spoke with them and domestic violence advocates who are trying to change the way children are helped in these situations. Stephanie?
Aaron and Darren, her co-workers are grieving tonight. They say the mother of four was just a joy to be around. And now domestic violence advocates, they're trying to figure out new ways of helping children who are left behind in cases like this one.
We have over 100 members.
Over 100 volunteers helped Shelton's Echo Hose ambulance, but 52-year-old Lisa Infante stood out, even winning Volunteer of the Year in 2011.
She was very dedicated. You know, she loved this place. She loved her friends here. She loved the work, helping people. That's why we get into this.
Flowers now sit in the department's rec room. A table holds photos from the holiday party last year.
It's a family. It's not just a place you go and leave.
Over 10 years, she helped countless people. But on Sunday night, the call from Hickory Lane came too late to save her.
We were called. The ambulance was turned away because I don't think there was anything we could have done.
The mother of four was shot to death, police say, by the hands of her husband of 27 years, Thomas Infante. They were going through a divorce.
Children were present at the scene when the homicide occurred.
Jarmock says that's not uncommon. In 10,000 domestic violence cases every year in the state, a child sees the attack. That can have long-term effects.
How well or not we respond as a system to kids in family violence situations is how well or well not they will heal from that circumstance.
That's why this year they formed a state task force tackling this issue. They're trying to find the best ways to help children exposed to family violence. The group has psychiatrists, advocates, and politicians. So far, she says they'd like police to be the first line of defense by
creating a specialized response for kids at the scene of family violence incidents for law enforcement to follow.
It's to help the children left behind cope with what happened, because even those adults who are trained to handle situations like these feel the pain left in the wake.
We miss her. Miss her already.
Now, if you know somebody in an abusive relationship, the Connecticut Coalition Against Domestic Violence has a lot of resources to help. You can find their link on our website, but they've got a load of resources right on their website, too. Now, if you're in trouble, you can always call their hotline as well. That number, 1-888-774-2900. Live in the studio, Stephanie Simone, back to you.